Itong game na to talagang inaabangan to sa Pilipinas at ngayon ipapakilala na natin siya sa mga tiga-Amerika. Ito po ang Family Affair!
Ito favorite ko!
Hey!
Kaya naman Los Angeles, ito na ang mga pambato nyo sa putukan!
First, we have Red Team. We have Lorraine, Amy, Jerry, and Henny.
Alright, come on! Come on, dito po kayo. And then lumapit po kayo sa mic. Siyempre, hindi po sila, dito na lang ako sa kabilang side para
Okay,
masaya.
dito naman ako.
Okay, dito tayo, ayan. So lahat ng teams ngayon pa lang po, meron na po silang tigwo $100. At pakinggan naman po natin dahil kahit ngayon lang sila nagkakilala, may cheer sila na inihanda para sa atin.
Okay, game.
Okay, who? Go!
Hi, we're the Red Team, and I'm Lorraine. I'm Sassy Amy.
Hi, I'm Ines Jerry.
And I'm Hip
And
Henny.
it's Julie!
And we are the Red Team.
Palakpakan po natin ang red team. Okay. Alright, so dito na po yung number 1
Red team.
at saka number 3. Dito, number 2 doon. Tatay Jerry! Tatay Jerry! Tatay Jerry! Tatay Jerry! Tatay Jerry! Dito po kayo.
Dito po
Okay.
kayo.
Eto,
Okay.
dito na po na tayo. At syempre, dahil bago ito sa mga paningin nila, maingay sila, di ba? Sabihin natin sa kanila kung ano ba ang game na to.
Okay, napakasimple lang naman ang gagawin natin. Sa bawat team, may 4 na members. Kailangan lang putukin ang
Lobo.
8 lobo.
Yes.
Gosh.
So, si number 1, puputukin niya yung tatakbo siya doon, puputukin niya yung lobo ni number 2. Tapos si number 2, tatakbo naman siya dito, puputukin niya yung lobo ni number 3. And so, si number 3, tatakbo naman siya
Kay
doon.
number?
Oh,
Oo.
puputukin niya yung lobo ni number 4, and so
Si
on.
number 4, puputukin niya yung lobo ni number 1.
Yes.
Okay?
So, pabilisan.
Pabilisan. Ang may
Yes.
pinakamaiksing oras, yun ang makakatanggap ng jackpot na $1,000. Okay.
Okay.
Alright, yung mga rules kami yan na
Yes,
iba
meron pa
pa.
tayong ibang special rules. Siyempre, pag ikaw yung magpapaputok ng lobo, kailangan hindi mo mahawakan yung lobo. At kung ikaw naman yung nakaupo, dapat hindi mo makurot yung lobo o mapaputok
Or using
siya.
your hands,
Using
putukin
your
siya,
hands.
okay?
And syempre,
You cannot use your hands.
yes,
Okay.
you have to use your backside. Bawal rin
Sabihin
gamitin.
mo na your butt.
Yes, use your butt.
Yes.
And then, bawal rin gamitin ang kanilang
Balakang.
balakang.
Hips.
Yes, your hips.
Oh, mga American na to kasi itong mga to,
Yes.
kaya ini-English ko.
Yes.
And I just have a tip for yung mga nakaupo. Close nyo yung mga legs nyo para mas madali maputok yung lobo.
So first we have Lorraine and
Amy, Jerry,
Amy.
Henny, Red Team, putukan na! Yes! Upo na po kayo. Mang Jerry, upo po kayo. Yan, very good. Ay, Mang Jerry. Mang Jerry, ano yon? Good. Takbo, Mang Jerry, takbo. Run there, get the lobo.
Oh.
Okay, go. Takbo, Mang Jerry, takbo, Mang Jerry. Dito ka, dito. Nakakaloka si Mang Jerry.
Ay!
Ay! Mang Jerry, ay, ano
Oh,
nangyari?
Anong nangyayari?
Get up, Carmen!
Derek, tulungan mo sila.
Okay, wag hahawa. Pero okay na. Bawal hawakan sa Pilipinas eh.
bawal hawakan yung balloon.
Oh,
Mang Jerry,
Good job.
doon. Ay, Mang Jerry.
sara po niyo yung legs niyo. Sara niyo po yung legs niyo.
Close your legs, Mang Jerry. Close your
Yan,
legs.
sarado mo yung legs mo, yan.
Ayan.
Here. Ay,
Yan.
Okay, oh, Mang
Ang
Jerry.
busy Mang
masyado ka
Jerry,
na-excite.
grabe.
Na-excite siya eh.
Oo. Oh.
pabilisan po to.
Jump up,
Ayan.
yan!
Appear. Oh, di ba ang saya? Oh.
Good job, Red Team.
Ang
Good
saya ni
job.
Mang Jerry, di
Uy,
ba?
favorite ko si Ma'am Jerry. Ang galing-galing naman niyang pumutok.
Na-haggard yung beauty ni Lorraine. Ang ganda pa naman ni Lorraine. Okay, let's
Okay,
face
let's
the
face
wall.
the wall.
And let's look at your time. Kasi
Alright.
ngayon, malalaman natin kung anong time to beat ng mga susunod na teams. Okay?
Yes. Ang ating oras ay
Ayan na.
1 minute, 2.4 seconds.
Let's go back. All right. So
Okay.
again, nakita
1
naman
minute
natin.
and 2 seconds.
Next, Derek, we have the blue team.
Okay, where's our blue team? We have Javier, Alex, Tess, and Leah.
Yay!
Thank
Okay,
you.
cheer.
Thank you sa red team. Ang galing ng ginawa nyo. Lalo na si Mang Jerry.
Tignan na natin yung cheer ng blue team.
Okay, go.
Hi, my name's Javier.
I'm Alex.
I'm Tess. I'm Leia.
And we are the blue team.
Blue team, ready na ba kayo?
Ready!
Giling-giling.
Oh, I love it. Thank
Okay.
you.
All right.
All right, go blue team!
1 and 3, dito po. Very good si Miss Tess. 2 and 4, dun po tayo. Again, ang inyo pong time to beat ay 1 minute and 2 seconds.
So,
Javier, Alex, Tess, Leia, Blue Team, puto ka na! Get the lobo, put it on your lap. put it on-
Alex!
No, don't put it on your lap.
Number 2, Tess! Tess!
Takbo po, Kuya Alex. Kuya Alex.
Go, 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 go! Okay.
Pato kay Leia. Get the lobo, yes. Sit down po, Ate Tess. Sit
Oh,
down.
there you go.
Patukin mo, Mang Alex.
Oh!
okay.
Stop, careful, careful. Dito ngayon. Okay! Good job, blue team!
Tingnan natin yung score nyo.
Wow! All right. Your
Parang
time to
mabilis
beat.
yun, ah.
Yes, ang time to beat niyo po 1 minute and 2 seconds. And ang inyong oras ay
Yes! 34.1.
Bumibilis.
yes.
Yung oras na yan, pang Pilipinas.
Half the time.
In fairness,
Grabe
ha?
ang bilis, ha?
Yeah.
Yes. So ngayon, tawagin na natin ang susunod na team, ang pink team. Here's Jason, Ivy, Angela,
Angela,
and Buster. Alright.
Okay,
Pakinggan
ang
natin ang
kanilang
cheer
cheer.
nila. Oh, hilahin daw yung carpet. Go. You're-
Hi, I'm Jason. I'm from Artesia.
Hi, I'm Ivy from Anaheim. Hi, I'm Angela from La Puente, California.
Ghostbuster from Eagle Rock!
And we are the Pink Team!
Puto ka na!
Pink team!
Okay. Si Jason at saka si Ivy nakaupo.
Alright.
Alright, Pink,
Pink
team, are you
team.
ready?
Eto na po, ang inyong time to beat ay 34.1 seconds. Eto po sina
Jason, Ivy, Angela, Buster,
Pink Team,
puto ka na!
Putukin. Takbo,
Okay.
Mang Jason, dito po, Mang Jason, kuha po ng lobo. Buster, kuha po ng lobo. Lobo, takbo, takbo, hindi ikaw.
Go,
Hindi
go,
ikaw,
go, go,
doon ka.
go.
Okay,
Buster,
Buster,
go,
Angela
go,
dito.
go.
Buster, putukin, putukin.
Ay, bawal!
Jason, Mang Kuya, dito ka. Tuto, ano yung
Buster,
tuto?
kailangan mo ng lobo. Yun.
Okay.
Oh, very good.
Go, go,
Close your
go!
legs, close your legs. Para dalon, dalon. Up here, up here.
Oh,
Ayan.
Bilis, ha?
Pabilis ng
Parang,
pabilis.
oo nga.
Yes. Your time
Okay,
to
what's
beat
your score?
yes, was 34.1 seconds at ang inyong oras ay
32.6!
Palakpakan naman po natin ang
Alright,
Pink
Pink
Team.
Team.
Yeah.
Uy, grabe, ha? Pabilis ng pabilis. Kailangan yung yellow team. Malampasan nila yung pink team.
Oh, ito na ang yellow team. We have Joni, Neil, Lani, and Mario.
Okay, pakinggan natin yung cheer nila.
Yes.
I'm
Go.
Johnny from West Covina.
I'm Mario from Port Arthur, Texas.
I'm Lani from Bakersfield.
I'm Neil LA.
We are from Wedding Valley, you.
We are the yellow team. Puto ka na!
Yeah.
Alright, yellow team.
Okay. May nakaupo ngayon si Joni at si Neil.
At eto na rin po si Lani and
And
Mario. Ang
Mario.
time to beat ay 32.6 seconds. Yellow Team, puto ka na!
Lobo, 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 lobo.
Oh,
Okay, okay. Alright.
dalihan nyo!
Go, go.
Up, sarado niyo pa ba niya? Okay. Yes.
Go, go, go!
Good, up. Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay. Yellow team, let's see what your score is. sorry, hindi nyo nalampasan ang pink team.
That's right.
Okay, so now let's call on the green team.
We have Jane,
Amy, Patrick,
Abby,
and
Patrick,
Augie.
Augie,
Okay, lapit. Wow! Hello! Lapit po tayo sa
Americano.
mic. Lapit po tayo sa mic para marinig po yung cheer ninyo. Okay.
My name is Jane from North Hills.
My name is Amy from West Covina.
My name is Patrick from Fullerton.
My name is Ogie from LA, California.
Eh?
We're the green team. Putukan na.
Alright.
Okay.
1 and 3, 2 and 4.
My gosh, kailangan galingan nyo ha, yung energy nyo. Kailangan dagdagan nyo pa para at least ma-beat nyo ang mga teams na nanauna.
Yes, and the
Time
time to beat is 32.6 seconds by the pink team.
That's right.
Alright.
Okay, ito na ang green team. Jane, Amy, Patrick, Augie.
Green team,
Puto ka na!
Bilis, bilis!
Diba sabi ko, bigyan mo ng lobo? Alam ko na. Okay, ikaw eh. Alam ko na talaga
Dito, dito,
ikaw. Sabi ko na eh.
Dali!
Okay.
Okay.
Go, 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 go.
Yes. Napakasaya po ng game na Family Affair. Sa
Lakasan
Pilipinas,
nyo.
lahat po pumipila para malaro ito. Kaya manood na po kayo ng
Bilisan nyo.
Big Time gabi-gabi at mag-avail sa Kapatid TV5 International
go,
at
Patrick.
Gusto.
Okay.
Okay.
Apir.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, tingnan natin. Kung mabilis sila, what's the time?
Yes.
Nako.
41.5 seconds.
At
Hindi
least,
pa rin nila
masaya sila.
natatalo ang pink team.
And
Ng
our last team.
32.6.
Yes.
Ay, hindi pa pala last team to. Alright,
pa.
let's call in the orange team. Lina, Pearly, Carmen, and Addy.
Let's go, orange team.
Orange, orange. Okay. Lapit po tayo sa mic.
Okay.
Ay, okay, but... oh.
Hi, I'm Lina from Long Beach. I'm Pearly from Los Angeles, California. Carmen from Rancho Cucamonga.
Okay.
Yes! Yes! Thank you for your effort. Uy, maganda si Addy, ah. Oh.
All right.
Okay. The
Let's
time to
go.
beat is 32.6 seconds. Okay, Lina, Pearly, Carmen, Abby,
Orange team,
puto ka na!
Go, 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 go.
Close your legs. I told you.
Okay.
Close your legs.
Oh.
Close your legs at the
Lakasan nyo!
Yes.
Bilisan nyo.
Kung nag-enjoy po kayo ngayon, gabi-gabi, mapapanood niyo po yan sa Real Time, Big Time. Kaya naman, kumuha na ng Kapatid TV5 International
Ay,
at Action TV
Kaway na.
International.
Close your legs, yan. Okay.
Run, run, run. Abby, Abby here.
One more.
Maganda ka eh. Appear. Parang
Okay,
lalong
okay.
lumili.
Alam mo,
Ate Ana, dito tayo.
Akala ko
Ate-
mag-aaway-aaway na
tayo.
sila. The time is 43.6.
That's okay. At
Nice
least
try,
nag-enjoy
orange
kayo.
team.
Actually, sometimes yung iba naman, kahit mahaba yung oras nila, linalaro nila for the experience.
Yes.
Oo, masaya yan.
And now we have dark blue. We have Derek, Marie, Liza, and Bon.
Derek.
Derek.
Ayan, sa
Alright.
pangalan mo, Derek.
Oo.
1, 2, 3, 4. We declare balloon war. My name is Derek from San Diego, California.
My name is Lisa from Chula Vista, California.
Yay!
My name is Marie from Cerritos, California.
And I'm Bon from Van Nuys, California.
Woo!
Okay?
Okay, yun na yun?
Blue team.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
blue
Alright.
team.
Blue team, the time to beat, 32.6 seconds. Okay? Sorry, Marie.
Derek, Marie, Liza, Bon.
Dark blue, puto ka na.
Very good.
Okay, go, 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 go! Go, go,
Marie,
go.
Marie, Marie. Marie, 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 Marie.
Okay.
Go, Marie.
Hurry up,
Very
hurry
good.
up. Okay.
Takbo, takbo, Bon. Very good. Okay. Derek, takbo doon. Takbo doon. Ikaw hindi.
Okay, wait. Over there, over there, over there, over there, over there, over there. Dun, 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 dun.
Go, 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 Marie!
Okay.
Okay.
Go, go,
Last
go!
one, last one, last one. Apir, 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 apir.
Appear!
Alright.
Okay. Tingnan natin kung natalo nila ang pink team.
Yes.
Dito tayo, yung blue magkakasama sa dark blue, yung pink. Dito na tayo mga
Blue
pink.
team.
Okay, ang pink
Time.
team, 32.6.
Hi.
Yes.
Natalo ba nila ang 32.6? 34.9. Sayang.
Panalo pa rin ang pink team.
Thank you very much, Blue
Thank you,
team.
dark blue. And of course, our winning team, the pink team. Palakpakan po natin si Jason,
Congratulations,
Ivy,
pink team.
Angel, Angela, and Buster. Dito
Dito
na po
dito.
tayo. This
Dito
is your
kayo.
winning moment. Come on. Come on. Dito,
Nanalo
dito.
na sila ng $1,000.
Okay.
Alright, at dahil dyan, eto, meron kami mga regalo na inihanda. Handa na ba kayo? Bibigyan po namin kayo ng mga jacket, kaya naman.
Ayan, may mga
Eto na po,
regalo.
pasok!
Brilliant sisters and brothers. Because of that, you have gifts from Will Time Big Time. Here's your tuturututut Wilford, tuturututut Wilford, tuturututut Wilford, tuturututut Wilford. And hindi lang yan, meron kayong Agar Will Time Big Time jacket, Agar Will Time Big Time jacket, Agar Will Time Big Time jacket, Agar Will Time Big Time jacket. Bigay ng Will Time Big Time. Terrific ka!
Yes, yan po. Ang mga ibinigay po niya ay
Thank you,
Will Time
Kuya
Big
Willie.
Time
I love
jacket.
you.
At meron pa silang natanggap na Cherry Mobile.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
At eto ang cash prize
Pasok.
ninyo. Pasok up next.
Citizen of Los Angeles, you are simply amazing, spectacular, and astonishingly superb. So here's your $1,000.
Congratulations, pink team.
Yes.
Okay.
For the winning team, alika na. Dito na po tayo.
Tanungin natin si Jason, ano bang gagawin niyo sa $1,000?
Pakainin ko yung mga samahan ko, ayun!
Ayan, hello! Saan mo sila papakainin?
Diyan lang, sa tabi-tabi.
Sa tabi-tabi lang. Ikaw ba'y magluluto para sa kanila?
Diyan baka mag-catering.
Mag-catering bongga, okay.
Ikaw naman, Angela, anong gagawin mo sa share mo?
Well, sa savings.
Date na lang tayo, date tayo.
Pwede!
Naku, parang happy na siya na yakap ka, Derek. Okay, sino ang gusto mong pasalamatan, Ivy?
Sa real time, big time!
Okay. Sino pa, Buster?
At Kapatid TV at Action TV International.
Yay!
Alright.
Congratulations again, Pink Team.